Okay, let's try to see this parallel line. I'm going to assume that this line is parallel to this one. Change the blue color. So if we do 1 over 4x plus 33 over 1 over 2x minus 26, then it should equal to the thing on the right hand side. If you remember the question right, it is kind of confusing question. It has a lot to do with algebra, so I don't know how you were in algebra. And let's see what we can do. This is just algebra. If you get the x and y correct, and let me just write down this line. This to that is equal to this to that. So that makes it very clear, right? Let's come back here. There's a lot of... I'm not sure if you remember those questions correctly, because that's how you set up the equation. And if I do it according to what you have given me, that's actually a question I never see before. Because on this side, it will be 4x over here plus 33 times 4. And the bottom will be 2 here, and x minus 26 times 2. And on the right-hand side, that requires you need to be good in algebra. 2y plus 66 times 3. And the bottom, I'm not sure if you do it right, but I'm going to write down because the number could be very off based on your remembering of the question. And let's just make sure that we have the same kind of stuff in doing this, right? So to do this one, it will be 4 times x minus 26 times 2 at the bottom, and 2 times x plus 3 times 4 at the top, equal to 3 times negative 66y times 4 minus 1 at the bottom, and the 4 times negative 2y plus 66 times 3 at the top. Those just algebra, if you learned that before. Let's do some cancellation. 1 here, 2 here. So we got x plus 33 times 4, 132, and distribution 2x minus 4 times that, 104, equal to, I'm going to do distribution. Well, I don't even need to do distribution. I don't think there's a way you can actually solve it entirely. You probably have remembered this wrong. So we need to see the original questions. I would not believe that would be the exact same variable in that order. Because if that's the order, then there's no way you can do cross multiply. I can see that right now. Actually, I saw it earlier. I just want to show you that you just cannot do cross multiply and solve them. Because then the result will be, just variables. And I don't think that's what your teacher wanted to be. I'm going to stop here. If I do cross multiply, it's just going to be complicated, and I don't think that's how your teacher wanted to be. So most likely, you may have remembered this position, x and y, at the wrong place. But anyway, the idea is this. This over this is equal to this over this, right? That's how you do it. The next one will be, I'm going to assume it's equal angle here. So it's angle bisector. So we know if this 30 and DC is this section, right? So let's say it's x, right? And this will be 40 minus x, right? So it'll be 30 over 40 minus x equal to 12 over x. 30 here, right? over 40 minus x, use a blue part here, is equal to 12, which is here, over x at the bottom. You need to cross multiply. So, you can cancel both sides, divided by 3, divided by 6, 5 here and 2 here, and you do cross multiply, 80 minus 2x equal to 5x. If that number is right, the number may be off, so x will equal to x, I'll just write it down, 80 over 7. You can simplify this according to your teacher requirement. Something like that. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.